Experiencing trouble with Optus data roaming? You're not alone. Roaming issues often stem from incorrect APN settings or disabled travel settings. The primary fix involves ensuring your access point name, or APN, is correctly set to Optus. Leave the username and password blank for this setting. To check this on Android, navigate to Settings, then Mobile Data Options, and APN. Enter Optus as the APN. On iOS, go to Cellular, then Cellular Data Options and APN. Set it to Optus. Also, confirm that data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings under Mobile Data, then Data Roaming. Make sure it's turned on. Finally, restart your device after making these changes to ensure they take effect. If APN and data roaming settings don't fix the issue, try manual network selection. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Network Operators. From there, manually select a partner network that works with Optus in your location, such as Vodafone in the UK. Also, make sure your device's software is fully updated to the latest version. Additionally, disable any VPNs, as they can block or interfere with the roaming connection. Optus offers a diagnostic tool in their mobile app that can automatically adjust your settings for roaming. Open the app and run the diagnostic to resolve many common issues. If the issue continues after trying these steps, contact Optus support directly through their app, website, or by phone for personalized help. Finally, consider using an eSIM for easier setup. eSIM eliminates the need for physical SIM cards and can simplify international roaming configuration. Before you travel, purchase an international data pack through the Optus app or website to ensure you have affordable roaming data available.